It's about 10 after 9 a.m. on Monday, August the 19th, 2024. I'm at the Fish Creek Overlook rest area, and the work crew has all of their vehicles in line, and they're making cement, and they're having a guard at the gateway, make sure nobody comes through that doesn't belong. Okay, I'm starting my hike again on the cement pathway. It ends out up here, turns into a dirt trail. Started this at about 9:25, or no, 9:35. I went back to the car and got my gear so I wouldn't have to keep traipsing back and forth. I have yet to find a way to get down off of this overlook. I'm at the end of the railing, getting ready to hike on the trail part of it. You can see the trail leads over there somewhere. Looking back at the staging area for the crew. Hiram is over there. I came from over there at the recreation area. This is a panoramic view along the road which they are working. You can see it's quite a drop. So I made it this far, and the trail ends out. It might go across on the other side of that prickly pear, but I'm not going to take a chance on that. I'm going to double back and see if there's another way. Hiking on the other side of the hill, but I believe it's not going to provide me a way down, or let's say it another way, it's not going to provide me a safe way down. I think I'm getting over to where the other side of that prickly pear was. Very nice countryside up here. God's creation. You gotta love it. There's a cairn. I don't know. Watch your step. Watch your step. I think that's the prickly pear that I stopped at from the other side.